guy's like, I don't want to do a body drop. Like, I can't. It's my daily, you know? So we
put better ride quality.
And towing, all that stuff, you know, and especially the, you know, two-wheel drive guys, because those suck at riding.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I mean, empty, they suck.
Yeah, yeah. So you air them, you know, you put air, but like you said, it gets those guys into the game, let's say.
Yeah.
So it's definitely cool.
Yeah.
I'd like to see more.
Along that line, actually, I'm not sure if you guys are super familiar with it, but our whole Jeep side of things, that's kind of
I did start seeing that. I was pretty impressed. You guys were like off-roading with it.
Yeah, they took it to Moab. They took it to a bunch of the biggest, harder trails. And full air, bolt in. You can put it on a leased vehicle. It doesn't have to cut, drill. Everything bolts to factory locations. Because you can engineer spring rate in these things.
That's what I mean.
You can do that.
That technology is there. We just got to kind of fine tune it. Yeah, awesome. I appreciate it, man. Thanks for talking.
Yeah.